Okay, so this recording is stock antennas. Stock antennas. We're gonna do a range test.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map. Go home.
Let's do it right now. He's using the camera underneath. Yeah, exactly. Look at it. Here it comes. This is nice. 3 kilometers away. Home sweet home.
Cars.
So this is flight number 2, second battery. Yagi antennas. There it is. Okay, fuck that shit. I'm coming back home.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds. Go home.
That's one it's off. That's okay, I'll take it. It's still in the middle though, that's pretty good. If I had an X, it would be able to pinpoint it more, because I mean, you're looking at this, it's hard to distinguish this